Hello everyone, my name is Hazel Dodson with Travel on Trips. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how I packed for 11 days in Scotland in one carry-on bag. So first of all, I have to say I absolutely love this carry-on by Marmot. I just purchased this. It is in the ocean blue color. It is a carry-on Pro Plus. It is smooth, it is sleek, it is gorgeous. I really like it. It is called the Pro because it has the zipper compartment in the front that allows you to get to your laptop easily. The wheels are amazing. It's fully packed and I'm moving it with one hand very easily. It has a locking mechanism on the side, which is pretty cool. The button for the telescoping handle is underneath, which I really like. It's smooth, it's easy to pull up, it feels sturdy. It's really nice overall. The Metro backpack is in mahogany color. It opens up flat. I think it's a really cool feature. It is a faux leather. It's heavier than I had hoped. I'm used to using very lightweight nylon backpacks. However, I do love how sturdy it is. It is gorgeous. Don't forget to like, please subscribe, and remember to hit that little bell icon so you can get notifications when new videos are out. Okay, let's get started. First of all, I have this neck pillow, travel pillow that I purchased. I have a long neck and I'm still looking for the holy grail of neck pillows, so we'll see how this one goes. The Metro backpack has a toggle you pull and the magnetic buttons snap off. It's a little stiff, it's still new. I do like this feature because I can stow my bags and just keep this with me with all my electronics, my sleep mask, earbuds, anything I need for on-flight services. And then I don't have to mess around with pulling my bag out of the overhead compartment or fiddling under the seat in front of me. It's got a strap to hook onto the handle of your carry-on. It has a back compartment to stow your full-size laptop, which I really enjoy. The zippers are pretty strong. Once you open it up, it does lay flat so you can see everything that's inside. And I put a lot in this bag. So first of all, I have my vitamins and essential oils. I never leave home without them. I have limited makeup with me. This is my purse that I actually have, Crossbody, Vera Bradley, very lightweight. I love it. Makeup remover, some sanitizing wipes. Never leave without those. In this compartment in the front interior, I stuffed my packable jacket. It is a hybrid puffy jacket. The other side is holding my iPad. And then I have a full-size scarf, which is also going to double as my blanket on the plane. And last but not least, here is my journal. I always like to keep notes wherever I go. So that is the Metro backpack, and that is what I carry in my personal item on the plane. I will post links of all of these items in the description below, so don't forget to check it out. Next up, we have the Marmot's Carry-On Pro Plus. This thing is packed to the gills. However, it doesn't feel like it's overstuffed. In the front compartment, I really didn't put much in there because the suitcase was so full. However, all my travel documents are in a folder. It does have other compartments, so if you did want to utilize it, if your suitcase wasn't as full, you could probably fit more items in here. However, I could not because I chose to bring more clothes instead. So, going to Scotland, if you've never been there before, you have to pay for your shopping bags. So instead of paying, we are packing some. I ordered a 6-pack off of Amazon. Very cute, very durable. 3 are in mine. 3 are going in my husband's bag. He doesn't know it. They will be hidden in there. He will find out soon enough. There are 2 sides to this suitcase. They have pretty much the same amount of capacity. This side has compression straps with a compression sleeve, I guess you call it. And I also purchased their packing cubes, which I will get to in a minute, but they are amazing. So let's get started. We have packing cube number 1, 2, shoe bag. These are my rain pants, casual jacket, casual pants, vest, raincoat, and neck gaiter. On the other side, I packed my curling iron, my toiletry bag. This is a packable backpack for on day trips. Sandals. Another packing cube. My hairbrush. And another pair of shoes. A girl can't have too many, right? The suitcase also comes with a laundry bag, which I did decide to bring in case we had muddy clothes. First up, these are my casual shoes. I packed these. They're very, very comfortable and they're cute. They're in place with my flats. Next, I have a pair of casual boots. And on the plane, I will wear my waterproof hiking shoes. So these packing cubes are really cool. You pack them at 75% capacity and then they compress down with this zipper system. It can be a little tricky to get the zipper done up, but with enough pressure and squeezing, I was managed to get it to a much smaller size. Love them. So let's show you how many clothes I actually brought. I packed 8 pairs of underwear, 2 sets of pajamas, 2 bras and 1 sports bra, 6 pairs of socks, a nightgown, and a bikini. Yes, I was thinking positive, swimming in the North Atlantic Ocean. Second packing cube. I use this one for all my tops. I have a 3/4 sleeve. That's a black tank top, a blouse, casual t-shirt, a warm thermal, a denim top, a denim long sleeve, a gray tank top, a faux suede cardigan, and an ivory tank top. And this cute little ensemble, my little dress for dinners and our photo shoot on the beach. Last packing cube is for my pants. These are a pair of black capris, a pair of denim stretch jeans, a pair of black leggings, and a pair of shorts. So as you can see, I fit an awful lot in this tiny little carry-on. Yes, we're going for 11 days. However, we rented a cottage and we plan to do laundry halfway through the trip. So that's it in a nutshell. Have you ever traveled with just a carry-on before? I'd love to know. Please leave a comment below. This is my first time traveling without a suitcase. Wish me luck. Hey, if I can do it, so can you. You can pack more than you need in a carry-on case. It can be done. Oh, one more thing before I forget. The kit came with 4 packing cubes. I only used 3. Till next time, let's explore the world one trip at a time. Happy travels. Stay safe, everyone.